Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt over at MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com. Today is Tuesday, May 24th. All right, I wanted to take a look at SPY here. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. I'm going to get this video done early today instead of waiting till after hours, just so you can keep your eye on things the way I'm looking at things. You can see what I'm looking at. But anyway, big move today, huge move today. You could see here that we gapped over all the resistance, the middle Bollinger Band, the 50 SMA, and also the 10 EMA. Our slow stow is just about at its peak. We had a little cross here on the regular stochastics, and your MACD is treading the line here, the zero line. So RSI is right about 58, and you can see the move has been pretty parabolic since we gapped up over the resistance. A couple of things that I'm taking note of here that I want you to keep an eye on. You can see this cross here of the 50 and the middle Bollinger Band. Now again, this is the daily, okay? So if we bring it back to the other two big drops, you could see the last time this happened, whoops, the last time that happened was right here on that big cross, and when that took place, we ended up selling off. And again, right here, you could see where the cross is. So I'm not saying it's going to happen, but potentially we're setting up for that big move. But we will have to see. But same consolidation pattern to the downside here, to the downside here, to the downside here. But we did have that nice little pop today. It looks like a nice opportunity. You know, the Fed's coming in this week, so that should be pretty interesting. I did move this line up here. That's going to be the new trend line. The resistance right now is this box here, this candle here. So this is going to be the consolidation box at this point. I'm not sure where it's going to close, but you know, this double top could be created with a triple top if we get up there for the close. We'll have to see what happens. I'm dropping it down to the hourly just so you can get a view of the hourly. What I'm looking at here, I'm looking at you know, this big move, of course, today. Let's get rid of this. Big move here, of course, today. RSI rocketed all the way up to like 83 altogether, somewhere in that area, and you know, it blew right outside. They did stretch the Bollinger Bands, but we did gap over everything and then channeled across and moved up a little bit higher. So a big move today. You could see here. And it's just sitting up at this top channel now. Usually you get a nice reset when your relative strength index is that high. You can see a slow stow is already crossed. You can see you're getting ready to cross here on your regular stow, and your MACD is starting to come down again from this parabolic move to the upside. We do have a couple of gaps to be concerned about here. 204.42, 205.41. Those will be targets for me on any downside. That'll be the low Bollinger Band, also on the hourly. So something to keep your eye on. All right. Well, we have three Fed speaking tomorrow, and then we have Janet Yellen speaking on Friday. So it's definitely going to be an interesting week. I'm sure there's going to be big moves all over the place. So if you'd like to join us in the live chat room. We'll be going over all the technicals throughout the day, and just hit the join us page. Join us button on the main page for MilestoneCapitalGrowthPortfolio.com, and we'll see you in live chat. Have yourself a fantastic day.